Hi everybody, today we are gonna cook together the baked pasta Neapolitan style. The ingredients for this recipe are 500 of rigatoni pasta, 500 of meat, half pork and half beef, 100 grams of bread, only the center, 2 mozzarella cheese, 2 boiled eggs, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, parsley, half onion, salt, pepper, milk, extra virgin olive oil, vegetable oil, and 1 bottle of tomato puree. First of all, let's make the tomato sauce. Let's put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a pan. When the oil gets warm, let's add the onion. And let's fry it for a few seconds till it gets soft. Now let's add the tomato sauce. Let's cover the pan and let it cook over a moderate heat for about 20-30 minutes till it's gonna get creamy. Now we are gonna make the meatballs. First of all, I'm gonna cut the bread in small pieces. Let's add some milk for make it soft. Okay, let's add the meat. Salt. And parsley. Let's mix all together. The mixture is ready. Now with this teaspoon I'll make my meatballs. Not so big. The vegetable oil is hot. Let's fry the meatballs. Okay, when they get this brown color, let's take it out. The tomato sauce is ready and I'm gonna put salt in it. And let's cook the pasta in salty boiling water. Now I will put some tomato sauce in a baking tray. Just a little. And then almost all in my pasta.
and I
I mix. And also I'm gonna add the meatballs. Not all of them, as well with the mozzarella cheese, not all. Let's mix together all the ingredients. And let's put them in the baking tray. Now I'm gonna add the boiled eggs. And the rest of the tomato sauce. Meatballs. Mozzarella cheese. Let's finish with the Parmesan cheese. It's about 3-4 spoons. Let's bake it in a fan oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. The pasta is ready. I took it out after 25 minutes baking. Thank you for watching. This is baked pasta Neapolitan style. In Italian is pasta al forno alla napoletana. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more Italian recipes and see you next time. Buon appetito!